Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Kaiser back with another unboxing video, and today we've got an Airmax 270 Reacts for you guys. You know, back again with the white socks with a white box. And you know, I'm not trying to be spitting bars out here, but I can actually keep going. If you don't know, you'll get to know, because that's what this is all about. On the box, without further ado, Nike's right on the front. My usual size 7.5 to size 8. Like I said, depending on what trainer it is. Airmax, or it just says Air 270. And bang, just like that, we open the box. Quick, presentation. Come on, man. They've got to speak for themselves. Come on, man. Like, yeah, man. Beautiful. Take both pairs out of the box. Woo. Place them on the floor. And that's lovely. Just like that. And right now, off the back, this is looking nice. And obviously, if you guys don't know, this is like the pair of, you know, like how the Nikes React, where like, you know, part of this, they add their parts of the 720, 270s onto the back. And then we've got this whole, you know, hybrid trainers. Half of off, you get me? And obviously we go with that Camo colorway. It's lovely. It's lovely, man. It's got like a glossy finish on the tongue. See that right there? Again, 270, Air 270 Reacts with a night tip. Lovely. Then we get kind of like serrated material going around. Again, when you get to the tip right there, we've got Camo again. And this kind of mesh has got a nice Camo film underneath it. And obviously, I don't know, a part of me would have loved to just see the Camo trait just showing straight off. But obviously this adds a little nice effect. And to the side of the trainers, we've got a grey tick. Again, going with it's uniform. That's what I like about this trainer right now, man. It's uniform. It's just Camo, black, grey. So you know you're dealing with the greens of the Camo, grey and black. And at the bottom of the trainers, 270 React right there. I'm sure you guys can see it. This is beautiful. First foot, first try on the foot. Oh my god. If I say anything, let me put on the second pair. Have a little walk around. These are snug. If you get this a size smaller, you're playing yourself. These are snug. One foot, zip on the side, the back. So to the front when I put it on. Alright boys and girls, I'm back with the Airmax on my feet with a pair of joggers, and this shit looks beautiful. It looks, oh my god. Oh my days. Oh my god. Like, you see this? This looks beautiful. It's lovely. It's lovely. There's nothing else to say aside from lovely. Like, it's comfortable. Like, obviously trainers for me take a little while before obviously I get used to it, but literally right now it feels comfortable, standing, tiptoeing. I don't feel tight. It's like perfect fit. So obviously, like I said, go for your true size, the true to size. Like, and I love that snug fit whenever like this trainer just fits perfectly. It feels snug and lovely. I can't compare right now, man. I am gassed. This is lovely. Great stuff, guys.
Hey guys, it's review time, and the reviews, I just gotta say that I love this trainers, man. They're good. You know, I feel like Airmax's Airmax 270 Reacts that like obviously there's mad disgusting colorways. I'm sorry to use that word, but like there's just colorways I would never go for. And then but this colorway I feel like it's just well put together. Let's start from the front and just, you know, walk our way around the pair of trainers I need. Airmax 270 Reacts right there. You know what you're getting. That's it. That's the name of the pair, and it's just beautiful. We've got like a leather material from the tongue going all the way down to the bottom of the tongue, and there's the same leather materials here, and you can see on all the corners of the laces where obviously you be pulling on to tighten that trainer to make it snug. Not like you have to, because this pair already have a great comfortable snug fit. It's bruh. I just like when trainers become one with your feet. You know, I say that all the time, yeah, but I just like when you just like you forget that you're wearing a pair of trainers. It's just comfortable. It's just powers your feet, and that's the essence of it. And yeah, the reinforced it with on a leather patch right here, so when you're tugging on that, it's good. Going to the toe cap of the trainers right now. You can see like there's Camo, but it's got this mesh type material going over it, and obviously it gives it a little bit more black in a weird way. It gives it a more grey to black feel, so it feels like you don't have to feel like, oh, I have to wear this with greens, I have to wear this with a Camo, or I have to wear like it gives you more flexibility with a pair of trainers. And then we've got a grey night tick, like cool grey, and it's just nice. And again, as we already know, like these are the 270 React, so the front half of the trainers pretty much resembles the React, even the pattern at the top. But then when you get to the back, you've got the Airmax, the 270 Airmax style bubbles right there. And yeah, it just felt comfortable standing. It felt like it helped my posture a little bit. It felt like I was standing up straighter in a weird way. I've never had a pair of Nike 270s, so I can't really compare, but from this I like it. And the same design, like it's uniform. Like that's just the perfect part of it. it's just perfectly uniform. It's just the greens are not too much, the black is not too much, the greys is not too much. I don't know, I don't really like the mesh. That's my only con about it. I don't like the mesh because for me it's almost as if you know, I would prefer if it was like a clean mesh, like a plain smooth mesh on top, and so you can just see not through, but you can see through clearly that underneath there's another, like, you know, camo layer on the upper. We've already spoken about the, look at that. From this angle you can kind of see the light going through. It's like literally a very thin material, but at the same time it has comfort and height and a pull to it, and it's just lovely. Like, it's great. I can't complain really. So yeah, for me guys, these are a go. I'll recommend this to anyone that feels like they want a everyday pair of trainers, because that's what I'm getting it. Because my previous everyday driver, it's gone. It's toasted out here. Y'all don't believe me? Give me 1 second. Let me reach for the bad boys for you. These are my pride and joy. Look at them. I mean, they've got a chain. They've got a chain. There's also, can you see it? Gone. But bam, we've got a pair to swap them out. And yeah, man, like Airmaxes. Let me just give you a little back story. Airmaxes, I'm like, just Nike trainers in general. I think I'm gonna start vouching for a lot, right? Just because I know these pairs of trainers are, like, I've had, they last so long, bro. I've had it, like, my Airmax for no cap, bro. Like, I think 4 or 5 years now. 4 years going to 3 years, I think. No, I mean, 3 years going to 4 years now. And they last me long. Before that, I had a pair of Irachis. I don't know what Irachis they are specifically. If I can figure it out before this video, I'm gonna try to type a picture or something. But I had those pairs and they were beautiful. Like, they lasted me long, they're durable. And I feel like these are exactly the same type of, well, this is what I'm hoping for. This is what I'm hoping the wear and tear is good. So I can, you know, use it and basically, yeah, have another long usage of them. So yeah,